Are security cameras really useful? Some people may have differing opinions regarding setting up security cameras in their property, but many believe that somehow it helps deter crime.
This is a 4.
We believe so too. And the one thing we like for having it set up is that we can monitor what's going on in our property 24/7, anywhere we are, so long as we have good internet connection, because we can access it on the internet. We've heard it first from a Filipino family friend whose place was burgled on the first week of their moving date. That's why they've set up security cameras too after that, so that they could have an idea of who their offenders be. Then we decided to set up one as well, on our own, of course. You know, you can save more if you do it yourself, right? We had 4 cameras set up on our first year in this property because that's how much we can afford at that time. A year later, we've decided to add 2 more cameras, one to be located inside the house and another facing the driveway, so we get to see who's coming up the driveway. We bought a set of 6, which means we've upgraded the entire set.
These are the old ones we have. Oh, what's the difference? Looks good.
We've taken out the 4 old ones and sold this set to a family friend for a cheaper price. It's so easy to install, especially to techie people. Simply follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. The only tricky part was hiding it. I mean, the wirings. In our case, I climbed up and crawled into the attic, and I needed my partner's help to hand me the cable from the outside.
You should have done it first.
A monitor is needed in setting up, but it's not necessary to have one going the whole day. But I insisted to have a monitor in our lounge so I can check out what's going on around when I'm busy inside. I don't have to open the app on my phone all the time then. So far, we have no problem with this brand. It's cost effective and it serves its purpose.
8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Do we have 8? I thought it's just 6.
This is a better version than the first one we had, although of the same brand. The videos are in high definition too. If there's something I wish to add to this, it's probably the sound. I know there's a way, I just haven't figured it out yet. Thanks for watching!